Hi, meteorologist Chris Haddings here again. Continue to work our way through the countdown of the top 12 weather events of 2014. Halfway through the countdown now, we're up to number 6 now. See that pretty little graph that comes up there. And this one's actually fairly close to our hearts here at Riverton, because one of the spouses of one of our employees here actually let us know about this one. It was actually the supercell tornado that occurred up near Shoshoni, north of Riverton, on May 6th. Start by taking a look at the setup for the storm here. As you can see, this is our jet stream winds, probably about 5 or 6 miles up. You see a jet streak approaching here. And if you line this up the way it's moving, we're actually going to be what's called the left front quad of the jet. I could go into a lot of dynamics here, but this involves a lot of math that I forgot when I walked out of the final 20 years ago, so I won't. But basically, we're going to be what's called the left front quad, but it helps initiate an upward lift and helps get thunderstorms going. We also take a look a little closer to the ground. You can see this is a pattern of our winds. The blue arrows being the surface winds, and the green arrows being the winds at about 700 millibars, about 5,000 feet up. You see they're moving in different directions. And the result of this is what meteorologists call wind shear. And this helps cause the thunderstorms to rotate when they get going, and that's what you need, rotating thunderstorms, to get severe thunderstorms as well as tornadoes. And some of the radar imagery from it, start by taking a look at what we call reflectivity. This is what you usually see when you turn the TV on. It's the radar that TV meteorologists use. And you can see this little feature here. What's that called? Bueller? Anybody? Well, meteorologists call this a hook echo. It looks like, basically because it looks just like a fish hook here. You'd probably catch a nice cutthroat on that if that was real. In any case, it just indicates that there's some spinning in the atmosphere. But what we like to look at, the weather service, is what's called storm relative velocity, basically which way the winds are rotating. And you see this little feature here. And this is what meteorologists call a velocity couplet, basically which way the winds are moving. And when you see fairly dark greens next to bright reds like that, it means the winds are moving inbound and outbound very quickly, which is a tight rotation, which indicates either a thunderstorm spinning pretty rapidly, or maybe even a tornado on the ground. And here's some of the images of the tornado that we have. These taken by Josh Allen, and we actually have video of the on YouTube, I should say, of the tornado. Go to our YouTube channel if you want to take a look at that. It's pretty cool. In any case, that was number 6. We'll have number 5 tomorrow. Any questions about this? Always feel free to contact us.